Splash and Wag, best friends all day. In Coraville, come out and play. Learn a word and be kind to.
Splash and Wag are here for you! Splash, splash! Guess what today is? Oops! What? It's Toy Day! I brought my whole box! Fantastic! I brought my favorite toy boat!
I don't have any toys.
Oh, hey, Clicky. Do you want to play with us? Uh-oh, Clicky looks really sad. What should we do, friends? We could share our toys. Clicky, you can pick anything from the toy box.
Really? For me?
Really. Take your pick.
Thank you! Thank you so much!
The word chest. Today's word is generous. Can you say it with us? Generous. Like what Wag did. Generous is sharing with others even when nobody asks you to. General, can you think of a time someone was generous to you?
When you're generous, it makes everyone feel fantastic, even you.
Generous means giving or sharing with others even when nobody asks you to.
Like what Wag did. She saw Clicky was sad and shared straight away. That's being generous. Can you think of a time someone was generous to you? When you're generous, it makes everyone feel fantastic, even you.
It's so cool.
We're building the biggest sandcastle ever, and we're doing it together.
Now it's your turn. Can you think of one way to be generous today?
Maybe share a snack with a friend, or let your brother or sister pick the game,
or say something kind to someone who looks sad. The best sandcastle in Coraville! Thanks for spending the day with us in Coraville.
Remember, be kind, learn something new, and stay fantastic.
See you next time, friends.